Hello everyone, welcome to the EVS class. This video is final part of the chapter Going to School. Here we will learn about some more means by which students go to school. Gujarat is situated in the western part of the country. Here people use jugaad as one of the means of transport. Now the question might arise in your mind. What is jugaad? Jugaad means something that serves purpose on temporary basis. For example, suppose you want to play cricket but you don't have either bat or ball. So what we used to do in our childhood was we used to collect waste paper and waste polythene bags and stuff them with our hand and wrap it with string to make it look like a temporary ball, and with a wooden log we used to make a temporary bat. So in this case the bat and ball made by us is an example of jugaad. I am sure you may find many such jugaad at your homes as well. Jugaad here is actually a special transport which has motorcycle in the front and cart at the back. You can see here in the picture. Jugaad sounds foot when runs like a motorcycle, and generally jugaad is made by using waste material. You can look here at the picture. You will see the front is made up of motorcycle. In the back the wooden plank is used for the cart. In the top you will see some sheet, asbestos sheet or plastic sheet is used to cover, and the rear end or the rear wheels are made up of some waste wheels of car or cart. In India there are states which is mostly covered with forest. States like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and northeastern regions. Students have to go through thick forest to reach school there. Forests are sometimes so dense that even sunlight does not pass through it. Forests are mostly silent, so those students can hear sounds of different birds and animals. Isn't it amazing? In northern parts of India like Shimla, Leh and Ladakh, mostly it snows throughout the year. Students have to walk on snow for miles to reach their school. Walking on snow is very difficult and one should be very careful. If snow is soft, feet may sink into it, and if snow is frozen, one may slip or fall. Here you can look at the picture how students go to school in northern hills. In place like Uttarakhand, mostly people lives on mountains or hills. The paths are very rocky and uneven there. You can look at the picture. Students follow these paths to reach their school. It's very difficult for us to walk on these paths, but you know, students there can easily run up and down on those rocky paths. See how students going to school on these rocky paths. So students, in this chapter we have studied how in different regions of India students are going to school. And that's all in this chapter. Next we will move to in-text question and answers. So here are the in-text questions related to Jugaad. Please pause the video and try to write down the answers of the following questions. Here are the answers. Here are some questions related to children cross the jungle. Try to answer these questions. Here are the answers. Moving next, here are the questions related to moving on snow and rocky paths. Students, these are the expected answers for the questions. You can write the answers as per your experience as well, but make sure it is corrected by your parents. Moving next, here is a homework for you all. Draw a picture of your dream school in your notebook, color it and write about it. You should write at least 10 sentences about your school. Based on the topic Jugaad that we have learnt today, I want you all to do this activity and make something best out of the waste material at home. Here are some of the inspirations that you can use. I hope during this lockdown period, this activity will be really helpful for you all. Please share the picture of your activity. Thank you and have a good day.